This is a case where we actually have a dumb summary opportunity in the outline question. The student wants to explain a disadvantage of relying on audio features to predict a song's popularity. So we're looking for some sort of negative connotation. Let's take a look at the choices. Ignore the bullet points. Many popularity predicting algorithms are based on a song's audio features, such as loudness and pitch intervals. Well, I don't have any sort of connotation there. It just says what they do, but doesn't say any sort of disadvantage. So neutral, maybe. B, algorithms based on audio features may misidentify, that sounds negative, the main features of a song with varying acoustic traits, making such algorithms less reliable predictors of popularity than those based on fixed traits. So definitely seems negative. Let's keep reading though. Yes, these are also disadvantages, right? They misidentify things, they're less reliable. Let's look at C. Audio features describe acoustic traits such as pitch intervals, which may vary within a song, whereas descriptive tags describe fixed traits such as genre, which are reliable predictors of popularity. What? I don't even know what we're talking about here. We need a disadvantage of relying on audio features. Like, are they even talking about it predicting things? Oh, which are reliable predictors. Okay. Honestly here, I guess this is positive. Right? We need to talk about a disadvantage of audio features. Audio features describe acoustic traits such as pitch intervals, which may vary within a song. So here's what they're doing. Okay, I get why this might be tempting. If they're saying that the tags are reliable and we have a whereas, then isn't it the case that the features are unreliable? Well, maybe. But I don't like that I have to think that hard about it, right? Like, let's compare that to B for a second. In B, it just says the features may misidentify the main features of a song. It just says it, right? This is a very common thing, not just in the outline questions, but in all parts of the reading. If they are between two choices and one of them just says it more clearly, that's the answer. The less work you have to do to make an answer fit, the better that answer is. So between B and C here, I'm still sticking with B. C is very tempting, though. I get why people are going to pick it. It does seem to have all the right words, but I'm an ignorant reader when I do these questions. I do not want to have to think. The answer should just tell me what to think, basically, based on the goal that they're offering. D, the MSD's descriptive tags are reliable predictors of a song's popularity as the traits to describe are fixed. So that's definitely positive. It's definitely B, yeah. I think that this one is considered hard because they're throwing a lot of like very similar words at you, very technical, kind of jargony words, and that's meant to throw you off. But focus on the word we understand. What is a disadvantage? That's a clear word. It has a clear connotation, and choice B matches that connotation and very clearly gives disadvantages of this feature. So still an easy question. You cannot get intimidated into getting something like this wrong.